Belated applause for the senior reggae boys and Coach Theodore Tappa Whitmore. Yes. 10 unanswered goals in 2 games. Well done, Tappa, well done. We can say all we want about Coach Whitmore. Same chop and change the team too much, and him tactics this and him tactics that. But at the end of the day, Whitmore continues to get the results. Most importantly for me though, is that Whitmore has stumbled upon a ball handler in England-based attacker Bobby Reid. It's been years we've been begging for a creative ball handler in the middle of the park. And here comes Bobby Reid, and Jamaica scores 10 goals in 2 games. Extrapolate. Mr. Extrapolate. And look, we know it's Antigua and Guyana, 2 proud cricketing nations we beat up in football. But we can still see the potential and the quality. And with the mobility of players like Shamar Nicholson, Devo Orgill, and Leon Bailey, this Jamaica team will create more chances and score more goals. We have to just keep our fingers crossed and hope and pray, set up a mad spirit, not take it. And that by the next game, we don't hear say Bobby Reid has been left out of the Jamaican squad, and the coach will be looking at more players, and Coach Whitmore will be looking at other creative options, and they will be looking at this and looking at that and looking at the horse dead and looking for the cow fat and looking 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 and looking.